Hi, my name's Sean and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a place called Fairlands Valley Park. It's about 17 miles from my home. I wanted to come out and about and practice some wildlife photography. So today I'm out to get some bird photography if I can. It's an absolutely wonderful place, to be quite honest. Yeah, and I just love coming here to practice my wildlife photography. There's all sorts of birds here. I've got my Canon 90D paired with the Canon 100mm-400mm, 4.5 to 5.6. I've got a little bit of bird seed. I'm going to cheat a little bit and see if I can entice some robins to come out, entice some blue tits to come out, and if they don't, I'll feed it to the swans. But yeah, so that's my plan today. Take some photography, shoot a little bit of video because I don't know what the video's like on this lens, should I say. I've not had it long. My camera settings are, I'm on shutter speed priority, I'm about 1/2000th of a second, ISO is set to auto, and my aperture is the lowest it will go on this camera, will be about 5.6, and my focus point is I've set the focus to AI servo, which hopefully will try and through moving objects and get me some nice pin sharp images. So yeah, so that's my plan for today. I'm not going to waffle on too much. I'm going to get out and about and try and take some pictures of these birds. I just stopped and took some photos of some seagulls. That's quite interesting, the way they sat, or should I say perched on this railing. It's like as if they like measured themselves and they was equally set apart. So I quickly took an image of that. So there's a couple of images I've taken. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, once I process them, I'm going to show you them images now. I've been walking around, hanging around for about an hour now. And to be quite honest, for a big lake like this, there's not many birds. I think you've got to be really, really patient and just hang around a bit longer, which I'm going to do. I'm going to walk around here because I know there's another lake up here. Walk around, and I know there's loads of robins nest over there. I've already taken a few pictures of the robins and some blue tits and some coots as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you them images now. And if I take any more, you'll get to see them as well. I have just got this beautiful image of a swan. It's just down there now. I don't know if you can see him on this Osmo. It's literally just down there, just bathing himself. All I can see is his head poking up among the reeds. But I think I've got some really nice close-up shots of his head, or her head. I don't know how to tell them apart, to be quite honest. But yeah, so I'm going to show you that image now as well. So I quite like the nice close-up image of this swan's head. I've taken a few images of some coots just swimming around, lazing around. I think it's that time of the morning where they're not doing much, to be quite honest. I have saw a parakeet flying around, but he was actually, I was facing the sun looking at him, so if I was trying to take a picture, it would have just been a black silhouette. But yeah, I hope you like these pictures of these coots, and then I'm going to carry on walking around the big lake. back towards the car and see what else I can photograph. I'm going to end this video here now. I've taken loads of images and I can't wait to get home and process them. And I hope you enjoy the images. There might be a little bit mix and match throughout this video. I don't know yet until I get home and how to edit this video. And I've also taken some video of the birds just doing what they do. Yeah, so please like, please share, and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.